Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I gonna show you how to underline text in Photoshop. So friends, to underline a text in Photoshop, click on Windows, then click on Character. So you will see this dialog box for characters. So firstly select the text where you want to underline, and after that click on this T with underline like this. Very simple and easy. Click on Windows and click on Character if it's not already in here. And sometimes this character box will hidden in this capital A. So click on it, and if you not find here, so click on Windows and Character, and after that click on this T with underline. That's it. So friends, hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.